Good morning and welcome back. I'm Tania and I can be found on Instagram, Facebook and Etsy, all under Tatty Treasure. So this morning I thought I'd just nip on and have a bit of a chat about piano paper. So I bought this last week and this was all cut nice into A4 pieces, which is lovely. And then a few months back I bought some, just a cut part. I bought several of them and I really did not know what to do with it. It's beautiful, it feels nice, it sounds nice, the colour is wonderful, and obviously all the indentations, what makes the music and that, it's just beautiful. So I was a bit anxious about having a go at it, and then I thought, oh, I'll buy some already cut up, because I was nervous to even start cutting it in the roll bit. So now I've got the A4, I feel a bit better about using it. So I will cut up my long piece into A4 the same as these. So this morning I've stuck some down on some different types of paper. I've just used the glue stick to see how it would turn out. This one is on a cream, I think it's a 200 GSM card, and this is stuck down really lovely. The colour is fabulous. So yeah, I really like that. What I will do is just cut it down, because these aren't quite A4. I don't know if they're letter size. So I will just cut it down. I think I'll sew around it. See how that goes. If I wasn't sewing around it, if I was just going to cut it up into pieces to use for projects, once I'd cut it all up, I would then go around the edges and probably stick it down with Fabri-Tac, because it's not caught it all, because I did only do it with a glue stick. So that's it on like a cream card. Then I've done it on a sheet of music paper. This has come up quite bubbly, but I'm guessing that's just my glue stick. I've not quite got every single piece, which I think large areas is really hard to do with the glue stick. Again, I'll cut it down to size and either sew around it or stick down the pieces that hasn't stuck properly. But I'm loving that, because obviously you can see the music, but then I'm thinking I would have to then use the paper the correct way for the music, so I'm not too keen on it going that way. So that's it on the music paper. Then I did it on some really thin tracing paper. It's a bit like tissue paper. It's really, really thin. When gluing this down, I did catch the back of it, and I have ripped it a little bit. So that was quite difficult to glue stick. The glue stick kept sticking to the tissue. So, but it's got, I think this would be nice for envelopes. It's quite pliable. So maybe that would be better coffee stain to give it a more creamy appearance. I'm not really liking the white. So that's that one. Then this one is another tracing paper, but this is 100 GSM tracing paper. This hasn't stuck down wonderful, but I am guessing that is the nature of the tracing paper. It's a little bit like a vellum, this one, but it's got a great feel. It feels kind of leathery, but a really soft leather. So that's that one. The white doesn't bother me too much on that, with it being a more see-through paper. This one was on a dictionary page, really thin dictionary. It's a really old one, so I'm really liking that because the actual dictionary paper's got a really nice colour to it. So I do like that. Again, I would feel the need to use it upright because of the way the text is going. Yeah, I'm liking that one. And then I thought I'd try it on the craft paper, which I don't actually like that too much. We'll see. Probably look different when it's cut up into tags. So that's what I've done this morning. Now I've shown them, I'm gonna let them dry under some books. So I thought I'd try doing a few with Mod Podge. This could be a disaster. We shall see. So let's have a go. I'll just paint it over. Let me get my board actually. That's it. Yeah, this is really thin dictionary page. Probably wasn't the best one to start this experiment on. Oh gosh, Mod Podge is so tacky. Yeah, I think this is going to be really hard to lay the music paper down on top of. Let's see. Don't know if trying it with a PVA would be better. Let me just see how I get on at sticking this first part down. That's it. So if you slowly match them up before placing it on. That wasn't too bad. Okay. So let's try some more. I think I'd be a bit nervous to glue the whole thing and then try and match the piano paper over the top. I think that would go all a bit wonky. Yeah, this would probably have been better if I'd put a bit of water in as well. It might not have been quite so sticky. I'm not a great lover of Mod Podge. When I first started with junk journaling and I wanted to decoupage, I think I bought 3 different lots of Mod Podge. I went crazy, and then once I started using it, I thought I don't actually like it, but I am determined to use it up because I'm not buying anything else until it's all used. Right, let's see about laying some more down. Yeah, I think once you've got that first edge bit down, the rest is quite easy to lay over. It just falls naturally. Okay, so I'll just do the end bit. So I thought I'm going to Mod Podge the same papers as what I've done with the glue stick, let them dry, and then see which gives the best result. and then I shall see what I can make with the pieces. So yeah, that went on pretty well. So I'm going to turn it round and just use my card and see if I can get some air bubbles out. I did the first time I tried it with a glue stick. I tried doing it on the piano paper side. Obviously that wasn't a good idea. So, yeah, so if I let that dry underneath something heavy, I think this will probably work out better, even though it took a lot longer than doing it with a glue stick. So that's it for now. I'll get on and Mod Podge the rest of it, and then I'll come back and give you the results. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining. Bye.